Hi, this video is about inductor. Inductor is a passive component that stores energy in the form of magnetic field. In simple terms, it's a wire or a coil. Inductance also depends on the radius of the coil and on the type of material around which the coil is wound. The standard unit of inductance is Henry, and we can express the expression for the inductance is inductor is V equal to L into di by dt, where V equal to voltage, L equal to inductance of an inductor in Henry, and di by dt is a rate of change of current. I'm using water analogy to understand about inductor. First, we will associate the inductor in terms of this analogy with a water wheel which sits in the flow of water. We are going to give a force or a pressure by pumping up the water through this. There will be a water flow from this direction to this. Initially, as the wheel has mass, it does not turn. However, the force slowly begins to cause the wheel to turn, and soon the wheel is turning at the rate equal to the flow of water. It resists any change in the water. Initially, the wheel resists to turn, and eventually it picks up its speed. And after some time, the wheel continue to turn for sometimes even there is no water pressure. Likewise, the inductor resists any change in the current. If we started with zero current, would take time for the current to build up, and after some time, even there is no voltage, there will be a current flow for some times. Inductor does not consume power. See, the equation is V equal to L into di by dt. So I can get the value. So I can substitute the value of I is for the AC, A into sine omega t. So I can get the value of V also. So when I substitute I value in this equation, I will get this. So voltage equal to L into omega A cos omega t. I'm going to find out the power in the RMS. As AC, as I said, is equal to 1 by t, 1 over t times of integration over a time V into I dt. After I substitute the value, I have taken the omega out, and then I'm going to replace the time period to 0 to 2 pi. So this has gone. Here is the omega is 2 pi by t or f. So the dt get cancelled, it became 2 pi, and if I integrate these two, I will get minus 2 theta by 2. So it's a minus 2 theta. Minus cos 2 theta. So is 0 minus we can even look at like this is a sine 2 theta. This is the value of sine 2 theta. So if we assume as a sine 2 theta, we can say if we integrated this integration, it's like finding out the area. So this upper part will cancel with the lower one.